you guys on the ground. Well, actually, the camera. Give me a second, guys. A second. I just need to try to organize. I need to set you guys up. Okay, now welcome back. There we go. I actually found out that I could raise the tripod while it's mounted on the ground with a little thing that's down there. I don't exactly know what it's called. Anyway, it is 9 o'clock at night, and it is a surprising 9 degrees without the wind chill. Wow. That is actually extremely aggravating. Can you guys just like go away, disappear, never be in my life again? That'd be really nice. Anyway, yes, this is the aftermath of the snowstorm. Pretty sure you guys can see how deep it actually got. I'm not sure if you can see that it actually got how deep it actually got over there. That little spot by our neighbors. Used to ruining my life. Anyway, I am also wearing my boots, and I also have you guys connected to the GoPro spine. Now the reason why I have you guys connected to the spine is because I'm going to be showing you guys how deep it is. I'm going to be showing you guys how deep it actually got. If I can say it without another horn honking. I am also wearing boots, so those things raised me about an inch off the ground from where I used to be. So, I also wear 12 wide in men's. I'm not sure about anybody else. So I'll be showing you guys how deep it got in some spots. Not all of them, but some spots. For instance, this spot right here. Now, my actual boot size size of the height of my boot is actually 8 inches, and I think that thing goes up to about 5 or 6. Now, the only reason why it's up that high is because of my I cannot create something that high. Anyway, the only reason why it might be up that high is because of the wind, because I'm not sure if it was blowing up against the house. And that one spot over there by the neighbor's house. My cheeks are getting cold, and that is actually because of the hills. I'm not sure if you guys can see what direction the wind has been blowing, but it actually looks like it's been blowing that way and not this way. Oh my god, I tilted you guys right. Dang. That is the exact reason why you don't go that fast going down an intersection. And there goes my father. Having fun as usual. You guys should actually be able to hear that. And my father actually wanted to know where I was, as a family always should, and everything else like that. But I might actually have to end this very, very soon on account that my cheeks are getting very, very cold. I had a lot of stuff I wanted to talk about. I'm actually getting so cold that I can't remember anything. The only thing I can think of right now is heat. Hang on for a second. Let me think about it real quick. Oh my god. Oh yeah. That's what I was wanting to talk about. I could tell that it got bad during the night because when I woke up, the streets were actually not been plowed yet, and you can see where other cars have slid and everything else. And during school time, the snow I think came down just about as bad as it did last night. And then after school, it came down lightly. I mean, like extremely lightly. Now, from what I know, we're supposed to be getting more snow, but it's only going to be a half an inch, so I'm not even going to vlog that at all. I'm not even considering this a vlog. What else do I need to talk about? Oh yeah, on the way to school on the bus, we were actually sliding quite a bit, and the bus driver barely hitting the gas pedal. She was actually hitting it so light that I couldn't even hear the engine revving at all. And when I did, was when we were on emergency snow routes, not even they were clear all the way because the actual plow people cannot keep up with all the snow and ice that is. Well, I'm going to actually end this here on account that I am extremely cold and I still need to upload these videos and do my homework, including watch a movie. And I only have one question for my, not even one question because I already partially did it. I still need to call my girlfriend that I now have. I don't want to start worrying her. Just don't know how I'm going to do that yet. Well, I'll see you guys next time.